10 Steps to Look Younger. The secret of the youth has been searched since long time ago. Many researchers have done some experiments to find ways to slow down the aging process, and here are the top 10 secret.
1. Detox. It's important to start detoxification, getting rid of toxin from our body. Fasting or just consuming fruits and vegetables are the best way to detoxify our body. 2. Sleep. Having enough sleep, at least 6 to 8 hours a day, will make our body and skin healthier. 3. Food. Eating healthy and safe food every day will make our body fit. Healthy diet is one that helps maintain or improve overall health, also provides the body with essential nutrition and adequate calories, slim and also to look younger. 4. Exercise. Through routine exercise, we will feel happier, energetic, and confident. It also increases our bone density and muscle, which can make our body look 15 to 20 years younger. 5. Relax. By trying to be relaxed, our face will look younger. Stress and worries appear on our face, so manage our stress and feel at peace. Our face will look younger and more attractive. 6. Be positive. A positive mind and affirmation can bring positive life. Clear mind can make positive thoughts and can create positive impact into our ability to cope with stress and immunity. It also has an impact on our overall well-being. 7. Medical checkup. Having routine medical checkups during our healthy time is important to recognize diseases as soon as possible. Regular checkups are a great way to stay aware of what you can do to improve your health and reduce your risk of diseases. 8. Active life. Always try to be active during your life. Activities can increase good health and memory too. Being active increased fitness, lift your mood and improve your sleep patterns. Also help change levels of chemicals in your brain, such as serotonin, endorphins and stress hormones, by always on the move and active. 8. Active life. Always try to be active during your life. Activities can increase good health and memory too. Being active increased fitness, lift your mood and improve your sleep patterns. Also help change levels of chemicals in your brain, such as serotonin, endorphins and stress hormones, by always on the move and active. 10. Performance. Start to look at our performance. Is our body weight ideal for us? If not, try to fix that to the best ideal weight. Also look to the skin, hair, nail and teeth. Looks good and feels good will increase our performance. But the most important things for us to do is be consistent in implementing healthy lifestyle and eating habits.